Hi, this is Pramod. It is my first video of AppsDBA series, and today I am going to give an introduction of ERP. As we know, information technology has penetrated to every walk of life in human being, and without which we cannot survive. Information technology has brought more efficiency and speed in our day-to-day activities. ERP is nothing but enterprise resource planning. The ERP has been derived from manufacturing resource planning, where the key area of focus was on inventory control. ERP is a management system that integrates all the different activities of a business centrally. First, let us have a look at the traditional way of business application. It is called closed database architecture. It mainly depends on flat file approach and concept. The records are being kept on the flat files, and the retrieval of the information was time delaying. It had multiple distinct and independent databases. Each area of the business has their own independent application and databases. So the entire business information was scattered around multiple databases. It was mainly paper-based. Because of paper, it requires multiple entry of data in different places. Let us see the working of the traditional way. For example, as we can see here, we have three different independent application and databases. The order entry system will record customer information, sales information, accounts, etc. Manufacturing and distribution system will record all the production, scheduling, shipping information, etc. Procurement system will record all vendor, accounts payable, inventory information, etc. Here we can say that independent database are there to record these informations. Here, once the customer places an order to the order entry system, it will make necessary records in its database and pass that order information to the manufacturing and distribution system. Here again, the same information will be recorded to its own database and sent it to the procurement system. The procurement system will again record the same information in its own database and send purchase order to the supplier. Then the supplier will send the items to the manufacturing and distribution department, and from there the item will be shipped to the customers. The traditional way of working can be explained in a more simple way. Here the customers are placing orders with the sales department. The sales department are recording the customer and order related information in their database and send a request to checking the items availability with the warehouse department. The warehouse department again recording the information in the database or files and send back the appropriate message to the sales department. If the items are not available in the warehouse, it is sending a request to purchase department to purchase the item. The purchase department also recording the same information in their database or files and placing the order to the vendor. It also notifies the warehouse department regarding the placement of purchase order. The vendor will ship the item to the warehouse department and send invoice to the accounts department. The accounts department will record the same information in their database or files. In addition to this, purchase department, sales department and warehouse departments also send reports to the accounts department. As we can see, here the same information is recorded in different databases and one department cannot access others' information. So reports are being prepared and sent to other department. Now let us see what is ERP. It is a management system that integrates all the different aspects of a business. Enterprise resource planning is a business process management software that allows an organization to use a system of integrated applications to manage the business and automate many back office functions related to technology, service and human resources. Those activities supported by multi-module application software that help a company manage the important parts of its business in an integrated fashion. Key features include smooth and seamless flow of information across organizational boundaries, standardized environment with a shared database independent of application and integrated application. How do ERP system works? Let us see how do the ERP system works. Here, as we can see, there is a central database and all the departments have access to this. Each and every department is recording the information to the central database and other department can access the same information directly from the database. So data duplication and delay in data availability can be avoided. The working of the ERP system is explained in a simple way. Here the customers are placing orders to the sales department. The sales department inventorying the item in the central database. If the items are not available, the purchase order is generated through database. Subsequently, the purchase order is sent to the purchase department and the purchase department places the purchase order to vendor. The vendor ships parts to the warehouse and sends the invoice to the accounts department. The accounts department does the necessary updation to the database corresponding to the purchase order. Here, any department can generate the required reports at any point of time, as the entire data is stored in a central database. So we can say the information is in their fingertips. That is the beauty of ERP. What is Oracle ERP? Oracle E-Business Suite, also known as applications, apps or EB Suite or EBS, is a complete integrated set of enterprise applications. It integrates each area of an organization, from procurement to manufacturing to sales and marketing to supply chain to accounting and finance to etc. etc. It consists of a collection of enterprise resource planning, customer relationship management and supply chain management computer applications, either developed or acquired by Oracle. What is the advantage of ERP? It is faster accessibility of data, no more redundancy of data, faster tracking, low system maintenance cost, integration of process, zero downtime, internet enabled, better coordination among different departments. Oracle application history. Oracle ERP had first released in August 1988, named as accounting system and as only GL enabled. Then onwards, Oracle has released various releases, various versions with the advanced features and capabilities. In 2007, it launched its R12 version, which is the current version, and in 2014, Oracle has launched the R12.2.4 and the latest release is R12.2.5. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks.